Hey, what's up guys, it's Cinou here and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can do advanced motion graphic designs on your Android device, and this is going to allow you to do a lot of things that you can do on PC. And trust me guys, you're going to be very impressed with this app that I just found out. And thanks to you guys, because you guys commented on my last video and you said I should do a video about this. So the link will be down in the description below. This app is for free. Let's go ahead and create a brand new project, and you can create all the aspect ratios. We are going to do 16:9, 1080p, 30 fps, light gray background, and I'm going to name my project example just like this. And let's go ahead and hit on OK, and there you go. Now here is our project. It's empty at the moment, so we cannot play anything. To add stuff, all you have to do is to go ahead and press on this plus button. As you can see, there's shapes, text, media, and other stuff. So we are going to be using shapes for this video because it's going to be like a basic tutorial, so you can know all the basics. Here are all the shapes that you can actually choose, or you can maybe create your own if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and just choose the square right over here. So here's the square. You can go ahead and just transform it, and you can change the how tall is it and how wide is it. So you can do anything you want with this shape that you just chose. And also you can go ahead and maybe change the color if you want. So you can press on color and fill right over here, and it's going to show you this option, which basically you can go ahead and choose any color you want from here. Or maybe if you want to create a gradient, which we are going to do right now, you can go ahead and do so. So you can give this shape that you just chose any gradient you want. So I'm going with the yellow and pink gradient because I think it looks really cool. So as you can see right over here, our project is actually only 2 seconds long, and I want to create a 6-second long animation. So let's go ahead and stretch out this layer to 6 seconds long, and if you want to go longer than that, it depends on you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it short and simple. 6 seconds is perfect. So now I want to create an animation that of course involves this shape right over here, and this animation, I want this shape to go from the left to the right and then to the bottom and goes back to its original position, creating a triangle animation. So let's go ahead now and put it to the first position, which is right over here. And to animate this shape, all you have to do is to go ahead and press on this transform button in the bottom left corner. And as you can see, there's a lot of options right over here that you can see. The first one is transform, and there is angle, scale, and skew. And let's go ahead and just mess around with the position for now. And as you can see, there is this pad right over here. You can actually go ahead and change the position of the shape using that pad. Now to create a brand new animation, first thing, go ahead and press on this keyframe button right over here. So let's go ahead and tap it. Now we have a brand new keyframe. So I want my shape on 2 seconds to go to the right of the screen. So let's go to 2 seconds right over here, and using the pad, I'm going to change the position of this shape to the right of the screen, just like this. Now, if you play this back, you will see that we just created an animation of this shape that goes from the left to the screen to the right of the screen, just like this. Now, this is a really simple animation, and I think it looks really cool. Now, from 2 seconds to 4 seconds, I want to change this animation. I want my shape to go to the bottom of the screen at 4 seconds right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and use this pad to bring my shape to the bottom of the screen. And I want to do the exact same thing. So in 6 seconds, I want my shape to go back to its original position. And of course, you're going to do that using the touchpad. And as you can see, if we go back and play the video from the beginning, you can see that we created this animation in this really short time. And we just created, just like what I told you guys, like a triangle-like animation. And as you can see, it looks pretty good, but it's not natural, it's not smooth. You can go ahead and make it look more smoother using the Easy Ease options, which you can find in the bottom left corner of the screen. So let's say this animation, I want to make it smoother. I'm going to go ahead between these two keyframes and press on the Easy Ease button. And as you can see, you can change this graph to make it more smoother. You can customize it however you want, but I recommend you guys to use the presets that comes with this app. You have 4 presets. I usually go to the last preset right over here because I think it looks the smoothest and the most natural. As you can see, that motion looks good, but those two don't look good. So let's do the same thing just like we did the first animation. Let's do it to the second one and the third one. And there you go. If you play the video from the beginning, as you can see, now we have a more natural and more smooth animation, which looks really good. And as you can see, now we just created exactly what I told you guys, a smooth animation of this shape going in a triangle animation. And believe me when I tell you guys, this is the first app that I see that does this. I never see an app that lets you customize animations this deep. Now let's go ahead and move on to another thing, which is the angle. You can also animate the angle of the rotation. Let's go ahead and create a brand new keyframe, just like we did with the position. So press on the keyframe, and now I want at the end of my animation, which is at 6 seconds, right over here, or maybe at the end of the video, it really depends. Let's go ahead and just make this shape rotate 4 times, as you can see right over here 4 times. And if we play the video back, you will notice that our shape actually rotates just like this, which is really great. And I don't know what's happening at the end. As you can see, like everything disappears. So what I'm gonna do to avoid this, I'm going to stretch out my layer just a little bit so we avoid this problem. And let me go ahead and stretch it out, and that should do it. So let's go ahead and play the video back, and let's see. So yeah, as you can see right over here, this is what we have right now. We used the animation thing on the position and on the rotation. And before we move on to something else, you can also do the easy ease effect on the rotation. So as you can see, you can make the rotation even smoother. So if you play the video back, as you can see now, the rotation looks actually really smooth right now. And there you go. So this is what we have right now. It looks pretty damn good. I'm really impressed with what actually you can do with this app. It's really amazing and very advanced. And as you can see, let's go ahead to the scale right over here. Make sure you lock the scale so that it's going to be easier for you guys to animate this. So as you can see, you can go ahead and move this around and it will change the scale. So let's go ahead and create keyframe right over here. And right over here, I want my shape to be a little bit smaller. So let's go ahead and make it just a little bit smaller right here. And then when it reaches this point, I want it to be big. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and make it as big as this so it covers the whole screen. And this is how our animation will end. And as you can see, you can also go ahead and apply the easy ease just like we did with the scale and the rotation, and that will make the scaling way more smooth. So as you can see, this is our animation right over here, and there you go. This looks really good. And to be honest with you guys, if you show this to anyone, I'm pretty sure they are not going to believe you that you did it on your mobile device. To be honest with you, I do this stuff on After Effects, which is like a really advanced software that I use on PC, and it has all of these things that I'm using. It has the exact same method that I'm using on this app, which is, if you think of it, it's mind-blowing that you can do this stuff on your mobile right now. So yeah, this app is actually for free on Play Store. The link is going to be down in the description below if you guys want to go ahead and just download it. And if you guys are wondering, this video is not sponsored. Some comment that I saw in my previous video told me that I should review this app. I tried it out, and to be honest, I'm actually very impressed with it, and I'm sure I'm gonna do more videos about this. Let me know in the comment section below any ideas that you guys have, like intros, outros, or anything that I should create with this, anything advanced that you see any creator out there do. Leave it in the comment section below, and I will absolutely be happy to recreate any effect using this app, and I'm sure I can do it because it's so advanced, and I'm actually really surprised. As you can see right over here, I added this effect, which is motion blur. and it's not necessary, but I think it looks cooler with the motion blur. So yeah, this is how to create animations. This is like the basics on how to do like animations on your mobile device. If you never knew like how to do it, there you go. Here is how to do motion graphic designs on your Android device. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is the end. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to go ahead and leave a like down below. I will appreciate you guys so much. Also, be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you did not join my channel already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.